think I'm gonna just vlog today again. Today, so far, I look crazy, but we're gonna get into this all throughout the day. I don't really know what to call this because I would say get ready. We're just gonna vlog. We're just gonna vlog. And I'm gonna bring it with me. But we just got back from Walmart. We got a bunch of stuff to try the nature cereal, if y'all know what I'm talking about. But right now, we're gonna both shower. Are you showering? Yeah, I need to do my hair. It's past overdue, way overdue. I need to wash my hair. Look at this, like, it don't move. And yeah, we just need to wash it for real. So we're gonna wash my hair, get out the shower, and I'll be back to you guys when I get out. I'm gonna slick my hair down, and then I'll be back. I'm back. I got the face mask on, but it has to dry still. You can see it's so wet, but ignore my lips. Let me put some lip gloss on. Where can I sit, y'all? Please don't fall. Sit you right here.
Which one of these says, guys, I'm sorry about the notebook and please don't hang up on me and laser tag again?
I look like a hobo.
Why don't you just wear a shirt?
Oh my god.
Because it's a barbecue, not my wedding. Okay. Relax. I want it to be chill and come on, you can't use that. That's for the
I can
drinks.
barely even move my lips because my face is hard, but
Maybe this isn't such a good idea. Steve's barbecue.
okay, we're back. I'll take the mask off because I ain't feel like having it on. But we about to try this. Oh, we about to try this.
What do y'all want? Bacon cheeseburger?
Yeah, bacon cheeseburger and large fry, medium fry, a large fry. So we got
I got one coupon for that.
strawberries and blueberries. We're gonna put in here. We got pomegranates here, and we got our bowls. I'm gonna put some. I feel like I should cut these strawberries.
You each want a bacon cheeseburger with just ketchup or?
Yeah, you know the usual. We about to get Burger King.
So 2 bacon cheeseburgers and 2 fries.
Yeah.
With just ketchup.
Yeah. But I'm trying to get some small strawberries. But okay. Let me see the cranberries. I mean, yeah. Pomegranate. I said cranberries. I really don't want this coconut water to taste nasty. And we're adding raspberries and blackberries to ours. I love fruit, so hopefully this.
I'll be right back.
Hopefully this isn't nasty. Mom. Here.
You need this coupon list?
I got what I need.
Okay, I'm either lose this food. I'm going to bed.
Going to bed.
Yeah.
I can't open this. Alright.
I'm gonna get up under that cover so I can
Got some blackberries.
finally get warm.
I feel like I need more. Like this isn't enough. This doesn't
Finally
look like
get
enough.
warm. I don't know yet. Finally get warm.
Finally get one. Alright, so
Yeah.
I haven't added the water yet, but this is what we're looking like.
I'm tired of getting cold
Me too, Papa.
all day. I get up in that cover I tell you what, it'd be just like it's a heat been turned on in
Pomegranates.
that room.
Okay. So
What?
we got coconut water. Chill.
Some
It.
this was on.
Don't spill it. It looks cute. Oh, wait, I'm gonna show you my other ones though, because I took a couple. I took a couple. What is this? I wish I brought like a cup in here to taste it. I'm gonna get a taste. I'm gonna get a cup to taste it first.
It'd be like that one actually.
We're gonna use this one. Alright, let me taste it.
Wow, wow. That's gonna be weird because it'll be half my heart. You can have it. Just take it. Take it where you go.
What?
Hey. One of those.
It tastes like. You
Wait,
shake it? Herbert.
Did you shake it though?
I'm going
Yeah, I don't really, it's not really filling me. I wish it was more tangier or taste more like coconut, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what it is. We're gonna see what it be. I'm just gonna put a little bit because if I don't like it.
It tastes like milk, but like water. To me.
I mean, the flavors might balance themselves
We don't
out.
have the ice cubes.
I don't want no ice cubes. There's really no point of that. But
Cool.
yeah, we got the ice cubes. I mean, no ice cubes, but I just put, oh shoot. I just put a little bit. That's what we're looking like. Make sure that. So we got the taste. I'm gonna try to get late. I don't know.
It just tastes like fruit.
I mean,
That's good.
it don't really matter. I will get copyright.
We don't own copyrights.
But now the food's, I mean, it's good, but I don't think the coconut water serves a purpose. Like, there's really no point. Because it kind of defeats, like, the whole purpose.
I think it is good.
I feel like it takes away the flavor. But these raspberries and blackberries, they bussin'. But
It tastes good to me.
yeah, but you've always liked that weird stuff. What is this? It's a blueberry. But yeah, y'all can keep the coconut water.
I like it.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Have I eaten strawberry yet? Let me try
Maybe we should
strawberry.
get cranberries.
When I'm back, can you pause it for a second? Thanks. Overall, how did you like the nature cereal?
I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10.
7.5 out of 10. I give it a cool. I mean, I like fruit, so all the fruit was good. The only thing I didn't really like was the coconut water, so I give it like a 7. 7 out of 10. But I definitely eat again, just probably without the coconut water or like orange juice. Why am I breathing so heavy? I just ran up the stairs. But yeah, I probably eat it with like orange juice or like apple juice, some juice, again, or just without no juice. Just eat the fruit.
Water.
Yeah, or water. But yeah, I don't know what we ready to do. We might go to this meet later, but
Let's hope.
let's hope. Yeah, trying to get out the house. It's Saturday.
I'm trying to see my. Never mind.
Her little boo thing. Her little boo thing. Guys, it's the next day. Oh my god, I'm crying. We went to a meet last night. I didn't like vlogging it, but I got a bunch of videos, so I might insert some clips. But it's Sunday. There's supposed to be another meet today. We might hit up that one. I don't know, but I'm gonna just continue the vlog into the day, and whatever we get into, I'll record or try to. Y'all, I keep saying I'm about to vlog when I come to the meets, but I keep forgetting, bruh. I got videos, so I'll just insert clips, but next time for sure. Boy's gonna make you fucking